Hello, my friends. Welcome to Slow English Listening World. I'm Gautam, and today we are talking about the quiet strength of introverted thinkers. First, let me start with a story that many of you might know well. Imagine this. You are at work, and your boss gives you a big task to handle money for the team. Everyone else is talking fast, making quick plans, spending money on ideas that sound good. But you sit quietly. You think deep. You look at the numbers slowly. You see risks that others miss. And in the end, your careful plan saves money and makes more profit. Does this sound like you? If yes, then you might be an introverted thinker. And today, we will explore the quiet strength that comes with it, especially in money psychology and self-improvement. This is for listening practice, so speak after me. Shadow my words. Repeat slowly and clearly. Let us begin. What is an introverted thinker? An introverted thinker is someone who likes to think inside, not outside. They process ideas in their mind deeply before they speak. They do not rush to say things. They observe, they analyze, they find patterns. In a world that loves loud people, introverted thinkers are often quiet, but their strength is in that quiet. Now, think about money. Money psychology is how we think about money, how we save, how we spend, how we invest. For introverted thinkers, this is a big advantage. Why? Because they think long-term. They do not follow trends blindly. Let me give an example. Suppose you want to buy a new phone. Everyone is buying the latest model. It is expensive. Your friends say, "Buy it now, it is cool." But you, as an introverted thinker, you pause. You think, do I need it? What is the cost? Will it help me in the long run? You research. You read reviews. You calculate the money you save by waiting. And often you decide not to buy, or to buy a better deal later. This saves money. This builds wealth. Shadow this sentence. Repeat after me. Introverted thinkers save money by thinking deep. Good. Now let us talk more about strengths. First strength, deep focus. Introverted thinkers can focus for a long time on one thing. In money, this means they can study investments like stocks or real estate. They read books. They learn about compound interest. They plan budgets. They do not get distracted by ads or sales. Second strength, independence. They think for themselves. They do not need others to tell them what to do. In money psychology, this is key because many people follow the crowd and lose money. Like in a stock market bubble, everyone buys, but introverted thinkers ask why. They see the risk. They wait. Third strength, creativity. Quiet minds have space for new ideas. Introverted thinkers come up with unique ways to make money. Maybe start a side business from home using their skills, or find ways to cut costs in smart ways. Now, let us think about self-improvement. Introverted thinkers are good at reflecting. They look back at their mistakes with money. Did I spend too much? Why? What can I learn? This helps them grow. They set goals quietly and work on them, step by step. Shadow this. I am an introverted thinker. I reflect. I grow. Yes, but there are challenges. Sometimes introverted thinkers think too much. They overanalyze. This can lead to not taking action. In money, they might miss good opportunities because they wait too long. How to fix this? Set deadlines for decisions. Think deep, but then act. Also, they might feel lonely because they are quiet. But remember, quiet strength is real strength. Connect with others who think like you, online or in books. Now, let me share a story. There was a man named Warren Buffett.
He is famous for money. He is an introverted thinker. He reads a lot, quietly. He thinks deep about companies. He invests for long term, not short term. And he became very rich because of his quiet strength. You can too. Think about your life. Are you an introverted thinker? Do you prefer books over parties? Do you plan your money carefully? If yes, use this strength in money psychology. First, understand your mind. Why do you spend? Is it emotion or need? Introverted thinkers can see this clearly because they think inside. Second, build habits. Save first before spend. Think of money as a tool for freedom, not for show. Third, learn more. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad or The Psychology of Money. Slowly take notes. Apply. Now for shadowing practice. Repeat this paragraph. Introverted thinkers have quiet strength. They focus deep. They think independent. They create new ideas. In money, they save. They invest wise. They improve self by reflecting. Good job. Let us go deeper. What makes introverted thinkers different? Their brain works inward. They use logic. They use reason, not just feelings. In a noisy world, this is power. Think about jobs. Many top jobs need deep thinking, like scientists, writers, investors. They are often introverted, and they make good money because they solve hard problems quietly. If you are one, embrace it. Do not try to be extroverted. Be you. Now, money tips for introverted thinkers. 1. Create a quiet space to plan your finances. No distractions. Sit. Think. Write your budget. 2. Use tools like apps for tracking money. Simple ones. 3. Avoid impulse. When you feel urge to buy, pause. Think. Why? 4. Invest in knowledge. Take online courses about money. Slowly. 5. Network quietly. Not big parties, but one-on-one with like minds. Shadow this list. 1. Create quiet space. 2. Use tools. 3. Avoid impulse. 4. Invest knowledge. 5. Network quietly. Excellent. Now, let us talk about psychology. Money psychology is about beliefs. What do you believe about money? Introverted thinkers can change bad beliefs by thinking deep.
For example, if you think money is evil, think why. Is it true or from past? Change it to money is tool for good. This helps self-improvement. Grow your mind, grow your wealth. Another story. A woman named Susan. She was introverted. She thought deep. She started a blog about money tips from home, quietly. It grew. She made money from her strength. You can too. Find your way. Now, challenges again. Sometimes introverted thinkers doubt themselves because world says be loud. But no, quiet is strong. Remember,
In history, many great people were introverted, like Einstein. He thought deep, changed world. You can change your world with money. Start small. Save 10% each month. Think long. In 10 years, it grows by compound. Now, for practice, repeat. Quiet strength is real strength. I think deep. I act wise. I improve every day. Yes, let us expand on how to use this in daily life. Wake up. Think about day. Plan money tasks, like check bank or read news about economy, slowly. At work, when others talk, listen, think, then speak if needed. In shopping, look at price, think value. Is it worth? Home, reflect. What went well with money today? What not? Learn. Sleep with calm mind. This is self-improvement day by day. Now, more on money psychology. Fear. Many fear losing money. Introverted thinkers can analyze fear. Is it real or imagined? They plan for risks like emergency fund. This reduces fear. Greed. Others chase quick rich, but introverted see trap. They go slow, steady, win race like turtle in story. Yes, shadow. I plan for risks. I go slow. I win. Good. Let us think about relationships. Money in family. Introverted thinkers can explain calmly why save, why not spend all. They lead by example, quietly. Kids learn from them. Value money. Think deep. Now, big picture. In world, economy changes fast, but introverted thinkers adapt by thinking. They read, they learn, they adjust plans. This is strength. In crisis, like pandemic, they thought deep, saved more, invested smart, came out stronger. You too. Now, tips for improvement. Read one book per month about money or mind. Write journal daily. Thoughts on money. Meditate. Quiet mind. More power. Exercise. Body strong, mind strong. Eat well for focus. Sleep enough for clear think. Shadow list. Read book. Write journal. Meditate. Exercise. Eat well. Sleep. Yes. Now, let us talk. about success stories. Bill Gates, introverted thinker. He reads, thinks, built empire with money. Smart. Elon Musk thinks deep about future. Money follows ideas. Many more. In books. Find them. Inspire. You are like them in your way. Start. Now, end part. My friends, you have quiet strength as introverted thinker. Use it for money, for self. Improve. Every day. Think deep. Act wise. Save. Invest. Grow. This is path to freedom. Financial, mental. Believe in you. Now, call to action. If you like this, subscribe to Slow English Listening World. Like, comment. What is your strength as thinker? Share with friends. Practice shadowing. Listen again. Repeat. Improve English. Improve life. Thank you. See you next. Be strong. Take care.